I just wanted to share a lift with you, a drill press lift. This was the second version that you can interchange. You can use that as a support if you've got something long to drill. Basically what it is a bearing inside bolted through an aluminum bar. But this being a steel and this being aluminum, it has some good bite. This is the second version. It's actually quite strong if you... This was my test. And this is into Baltic birch. Well, this one I did with regular birch plywood. My first version was a simple bolt straight into the wood. I did it in a couple hours, and I don't know if you can see the bottom. That's just a pivot onto the bottom of the center post. Finds about 7-inch range is plenty for most applications. You can use this as a support. It's got some long pieces to drill. That's a cheaper version. I also wanted to add that this is another project I was on, but I've rabbited this Baltic birch into make a square, both the inner and outer post. I find it has more strength that way. In this prototype I mitered it, which is fine too. You get a bigger glue joint, but you get a shoulder. It's nicer this way. You get a little shoulder and a lot more glue surface, and also it squares it as you're clamping and gluing. So. And explain that. Going from the center of that bearing, and given the width of that post, the radius actually only worked out to about 7 inches of a lift before that bar started to lose any lift off the center of the bearing, if you know what I mean, if you can understand that. So back. I'm not sure if you can see that. I guess it's the radius of that aluminum bar that determines the amount of lift. So I'm not quite finished. I'd like to paint it or something like that, but it seems to work. Get in there. It also has cutters that cut on the way in. It's 3/4 deep, that one, with a 1/4 20 thread. And this is my, I usually install them with a washer, so it backs off easily. That's good for hardwood or Baltic birch, or plywood, regular, poplar plywood. These ones are fine for plies or 1/2 inch as well, but I like these better.